Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we showcase a stunning collection of baby girls' dresses, all featuring the soft and charming pink color pattern. You will find a variety of design perfect for any occasion, from playful everyday wear to elegant party dresses. The video highlights intricate details like lace trims, delicate bows and floral embroidery, offering inspirations for creating our selection, the perfect pink dress for your little one. Whether you're looking for something classic or modern, those designs will capture your heart and make your baby girl look absolutely adorable. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Your feedback means a lot to me, so drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Bye.